Honda EU3000 and EU2000 generators are probably some of the best little generators ever made for the consumer market, and I guess for mid-level commercial use. But you get two regular plugs, you get a NEMA plug for like an RV or something like that, as well as battery 12-volt battery charging only. So that's if you want to charge the onboard battery for this thing, which is dead. Unfortunately, it doesn't start, but it does have keyed start on it. So we'll leave this to on. We have regular manual choke lever, fuel valve off, on, as well as eco throttle. Fill up here with the fuel gauge. And then to access your oil, all you do is drain it from here. Of course, remove this little cover out of the way, but then you would check it here like so. And that's how you would service it. You would just tip the machine over, drain all the old oil out, and then refill it through the top. Really easy. The only thing that kind of sucks about these machines is they're really heavy, so you're gonna have to use a dolly to move it. But other than that, they're really not too bad. So we'll give it a start. Full choke, fuel valve on. I was just running it. So quiet. Can't even feel anything, barely. So I've already checked the inverter and plugged a few things in it, and it works great, no issues there. But how you would service the air filter and anything else inside is you just open this up. Here's your air filter box. You have 4 clamps. You just undo those, and you have access to the air filter. You can pull that out. I will say it's not the best design as far as an air filter box goes, because it's, you know, everything's so cramped in here. It's not really all that easy to get your hand in there, but servicing everything else isn't all that bad. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.